Hi and welcome back. Let's talk about the best tips and tricks to fix iPhone contact disappeared after iOS 27 software update. If your contacts disappeared after updating to iOS 27, don't worry at all. They are often hidden due to a syncing issue rather than permanently deleted. In most cases, you can restore them by checking your contact settings, refreshing iCloud sync, or updating your device. That said, let's get started. So, first and foremost, I will recommend you to check your contact list. Sometimes only certain contact lists are being displayed, therefore, make sure to tick off this important requirement. Just launch the Contacts app on your iPhone and then hit the Add List option located at the top right. Then you have to choose iCloud and all the other important sources one by one. Next up, I will recommend you to refresh the iCloud contact sync on your iPhone. Note that if your contacts are stored in iCloud, refreshing the sync can help you restore them. So head over to the Settings app on your iPhone and then you have to tap on your profile at the top. After that, choose iCloud. Then you have to select Contacts. Then you have to turn the contacts off and choose Keep on my iPhone, if prompted. Then you have to turn the contacts back on and select Merge option. Now you have to wait for a few minutes for your contact to sync again properly. Then I would recommend you to restart your iPhone. A simple restart can help you resolve temporary glitches caused by the iOS update. It's worth pointing out that if your iPhone is unresponsive, make sure to perform a force restart by pressing volume up button, then you have to press and release the volume down button, and then you have to hold down the side button aka the power button until the Apple logo appears on the screen. Then I will recommend you to check your default account. If you use multiple accounts such as iCloud, Gmail, or Outlook, make sure the correct account is enabled for the contacts. So head over to the Settings app and then you have to scroll down to the bottom of the screen and choose the Apps option. After that, you have to scroll down to find the Contacts app and select it. Then you have to choose Contacts account and verify that your contact accounts are enabled and syncing properly. And finally, I would recommend you to update the software on your iPhone. If your missing contacts have not yet been recovered, there is a high chance that a software bug is causing the problem. So try updating the software on your iPhone. To do so, head over to the Settings app and then choose General. After that, you have to choose the software update option and proceed to download and install the latest version of iOS on your device. And that's about it. Missing contacts after an iOS update are usually caused by sync settings or temporary software glitches. Checking your contact list, refreshing the iCloud sync, and installing the latest iOS update will help you resolve the issue in most cases. Now that you have unlocked these pretty reliable solutions, make the most of them as and when the need arises in order to get the better of this annoying problem. And I'll catch you up in the next one.